How to fix 503 service unavailable on WordPress. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the error with 503 service unavailable on WordPress. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, what you need to do is open the WordPress application and go to plugins from the left-hand side menu. To deactivate a particular plugin, you can click on deactivate on individual plugin, but if you want to deactivate all the plugins altogether, simply click on plugins at the top, and now in the bulk action, you need to choose the option of deactivate. So click on the drop down menu and choose the option of deactivate and click on apply. After that, all the plugins will be deactivated. If deactivating all the plugins did not work for you, the last step is to delete the theme in WordPress. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with 503 service unavailable on WordPress. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.